Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's your boy, Johham. We back. We back, son. I got some incredible vodka. Oh, let me drink some vodka before I start. I heard vodka helps you prepare fast. Let's drink some vodka. It's over. Well, I hope it was vodka. I hope it was vodka. But it is not. It is even better. It's caffeine. It's goddamn caffeine. Oh, caffeine. Brr, 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 brr. Higgity diggity dog. The mouse went up the clock. The clock went down. The mouse went up. Higgity diggity dog. For you, I get it. Oh. Caffeine is like a run down. Is that the phrase? It's like a bad version of alcohol. It has that bitter taste. At the Dylan Douglas. Hi. Hello. Hello, Dylan Douglas. How you, Dylan Douglas? Footballin'. Footballin'? Oh, that's good name. Hi, bro. Hello, bro. Okay. 1 hour of organic chemistry, right? 1 hour. 45 minutes. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. A bird in the bush. I don't get what you mean by that. It's all right. I'm guessing it's all right until wrong. Or until it's wrong. My brain is considering that's what you were going for. My brain is thinking. Haha, you made a mistake. I or Douglas? I don't think Douglas makes mistakes. I think I make a mistake. Yes, I agree. Douglas never makes mistakes. Read that again. It's alright. Units wrong. Units wrong? Units wrong. It's alright. Units wrong. Is that like a science joke? Like, the math is right, but the... Your comment. The bird in the bush. What's wrong with the bird in the bush? No. Dada. Oh shit. You know what? It makes me think? I was before I realized there was two does. I was in a universe where there could be one the or two the. But now it's after the Schrodinger's experiment. Now I am in a stable universe where there's two the. My name, my name just like Dylan, but it different. My name just like Dylan, but it different. Okay, Douglas, I get it. This is you did. It's a bit different. We're all a bit different. I get it. So last time, if I remember organic chemistry, I was looking into solvation and how solvation protic solvents increases. Come on, memory increases SN2 reactions while it inhibits SN. Oh no, increase the rate of SN1 while slows down SN2. Obrigado, Soia Maria, ciao. Portuguese, I guess, I hope, I wish, I think. Why should I wish it's Portuguese? Nah, I think it's Portuguese. That's the stupidest wish I ever made. Attach some link to your channel. I can't find your channel directly by searching on YouTube. What the fuck? Why? You should be able to. The first thing that you search, it should be Crackatub. The first thing you search Crackatub should be me. It should be me. It should be me. Crackatub. Yeah? What are you talking about? Okay, what do you mean by links though? Attach some link to your channel. Attach some link to your channel. Attach. Like, like add something on the profile. Ah, I never thought about it. Maybe I could add PERFOMAXXIN. PERFOMAXXIN. That is something I could add. So if you search, like, what is the use? Like if you search, it's gonna show up. Damn, my spelling is fucked up. My spelling? It's called spelling, right? Yeah. My alphabet order is fucked up. Oh, okay. So this at thing Do you put it on the title or on the description? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. At no. Using this at I can link channels. So let me put at crack. How's that? I could put at crackadump, but I don't know. I don't know if that could help. I'm gonna try it just cause you recommended Y buff. Just cause yeah recommended. Maybe on the creator studio. Yeah, I mean I could change edit video. There's an option to edit the video. Oh, you're chatting using the what's it called? The vertical stream. I'm not a very big fan of the vertical stream, but hey, if you use it, that's good, I guess. Cracker. Okay, I made the change in the title. Title. Let me know if this is what you meant. You are. Oh, how long? How long did it pass? 10 minutes. God damn it! You're in the correct SN1 reaction. The primary role of the ionizing solvent is to lower the activation energy, thereby speeding up the reaction. Based on the next page, 193. Okay, you got that page correct. Here's a deeper explanation on how this works. Polarity and the rate limiting step in an SN1 mechanism is the slow rate limiting step is the heterolytic cleavage. If I understand heterolytic cleavage, it's when two atoms or molecules break the bond, and one of them, the more electronegative one, is going to absorb the electrons involved in the bond. If it's a single bond, it's going to be two electrons. It's going to absorb both of the electrons. Homolytic is when they share the bond equally, and yo, you got my spelling wrong? Nah, man. Is it hard to remember? Crack. C-R-A. Okay, when you say crack, it's C-R-A-C-K, right? And mine does not have a C. Crack-a-thump. Okay, I understand. You were adding a C in between. I mean, if you follow the spelling, crack has a C in between. Cracka. I mean, if you go for pronunciation, I would not include the C for thump. But if you go for spelling, do you think it's hard to remember the name without the C? I'm just saying, like, someone hears the name, thump, and when they try to type it, do you think it's normal to put the C? I feel like it's pretty normal. What can I do? Should I add a C? But if I add a C, it's gonna look even weird. Correct. Correct. Kraken. K-R-A. This Kraken, the mythical creature, has a C. Mm-hmm. Okay. Kraken. I don't know if you know Kraken. Kraken sounds cool. Aesthetic, that is cool. Nonetheless. Okay. Aesthetic, that is cool. Okay. I just figured out what the mistake I made. I don't know if you're on the landscape stream because I'm sharing my screen. So there's a mythical creature called Kraken. You should know. You should know about it. Kraken. Kraken. Kraken does not have a C, but it sounds crack. So what I did was, instead of using the K, I used C and just follow the spelling for Kraken. But hey, like you said, it's better to use the crack without the C. I mean, if you're let's just say if you're that stupid that you can't type the spelling, yeah, I don't think you should find the channel. Sinchu, brother, how are you, man? Oh, I'm doing very good. How about you? I'm doing okay. I still got a lot of stuff to do. Yesterday I was not able to stream, but hey, we're back. We're here. Oh, you liked and subscribed to me? Respect. Oh. Is it your first time checking out the channel, or you've been here before? You are wonderful. Appreciate that. No, first time. Okay. You just think I'm wonderful just on the first time. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Uh, that's cool. Starting material is relatively less polar. I am kind. Oh, appreciate that, brother or sister. Appreciate that. Yo, since you just revealed the card, since you was like, okay, I subscribe to you. Subscribe to me, brother. Okay. Why, Bob? Midwest safety. Uno reverse. Hey, I mean, I respect the hustle, I guess. Please. But what do you do though? I saw the channel, so. Oh, you don't do too much. But. I mean, hey. Successfully reported the channel. Only post. Yeah, I mean, the channel looks pretty harmless. What? 2023. Okay, it's pretty old. So you just post your drawing content. Did I subscribe? I'm still checking out your channel though. Okay, since you aesthetic, let me ask you, what type of content do you produce? What is your plan with the channel? Yes. So, Vaibhav, you said something about Midwest safety. Goddamn. Let me just quickly look it up, cause I need something for my goatee series, and if this is good, I might consider. What? Mogging. What's mogging though? Midwest safety. I think you can do videos, but you like to do drawing. Okay. So your plan is to show artistic content like drawing. What is it, mainly drawing or something else? Do you have something else planned? Try Doctor Insanity. That's another. It's like 25 minutes. Yes, yes, drawing. So mainly drawing. Okay. Doctor Insanity. Who's Doctor Insanity? Oh, this. No, it's someone else. Crime. Okay. I don't have ideas about it, brother. Ideas about what did I ask? You know what? If I get some free time, I could watch it up. Now, did you subscribe? Whoa. That's pretty. You're pushing. Chill. I'll subscribe just a minute. I need to keep these two. I'll just keep it 20 minutes. Rate limiting step is heterolytic cleavage. Transition state intermediate as the. Okay, sorry, brother. It's all good. Like I said, oh, okay. So I don't have to confuse with the brother sister part. Okay. Well, I don't want to like and subscribe. Oh, no, no way. Really? Liras, no. No, you don't want to like and subscribe? No. Yo, that's damn. Libras. I mean, I understand your side, but just saying that to my chat, like, what? Oh, you respect. I mean, hey, if you don't like and subscribe, it's not a big deal, you know. I understand. I don't like and subscribe everything I see. I do sometimes, but like I said, Sinchu, can I ask you something? So, can you post something new on your channel and let me know, or if I could see it on my feed somehow, that'd be cool. Cause I could subscribe, but I don't know. There's something wrong. There's something fishy going in between. Thereby speeding up the reaction based on the next page of your. Search Lauren Alexis. Yo, man, I did search two of those. Oh, whoa, whoa, fuck you, bro. Come on. Fuck you. That's some OnlyFans something. I did just fall for that. Okay, brother playing Roblox game. You're old, bro. I'm playing Roblox game? Really? Solvent molecules around and stabilize the more polar transition state much effectively than they stabilize the less polar starting material energy barrier, because the transition state is now lower in energy due to stabilization. The energy gap between the reactant and transition state is reduced. Brother playing FF. I don't I don't get the reference. FF? A lower activation energy means it is much easier for molecules to overcome the barrier, which significantly speeds up the reaction. Real world example. Your notes provide a clear comparison to how solvent choice affects the relative rate of S in the reaction using tertiary butyl bromide as an example. Where's the tertiary, tertiary, tertiary. Oh, I cannot say the word. What do you mean playing? When did I say playing? I don't get it. Libra. What? Let's start from someplace. What do you mean by playing Roblox? What do you mean by playing FF? What do you even mean by playing in general? You're asking me? When you said I play Roblox? What? I don't know if I am stupid to understand the context, or you are really bullshitting. Speed. A lower activation energy means it's much easier for. Oh, okay, bro. So I'm the stupid one. Hebrew. Uh-huh. Hebrew. 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 Higro. Hibrib. Hibribro. Ihibre. Can you just SKMYD? Yo, time out. I did not know we got it's in here. How old are you? Let me introduce myself. My name is Libra. Oh, nice to meet you, Libra. Are you laughing your ass off? That's, you know what that is. how the solvent lowers activation energy. Real world example. 100% ethanol, water, 1200. This shows that water being more polar and better solvation. General rule of solvent effects. I am your father, Lyra. Well, there are some really stupid people. If your reactants are less charged, transition state, a polar solvent speeds up the reaction. If the starting material is more charged than transition state, and if the starting material is more charged than transition state, an aprotic less polar solvent will actually speed up the reaction. I think I need to write this down, this part. Oh, I think that's here. In starting material can either be ionic or uncharged, as well as the products. Effects of strong ionizing solvent on reaction rate compared to reaction in an aprotic solvent. Effects of strong ionizing solvent on a reaction rate compared to reaction in an aprotic solvent. Out of these, which are aprotic? I don't know. More charged edect than product. Transition state protic. Oh, there we go. Bro, you already have a girlfriend? No. I wanna do. Yo, what's with the retarded chats, bro? What's with the people's retardness? Less charged erect than product. Polar solvent speeds up the reaction. So if the reactant is less charged than, what's my name? Crack it up. Is having retardness. No, but just coming up to a random stream and just saying chat is kind of retarded. There's layers. There's layers to retardness. Whoa. Retardness. Yes. There's layers to retardness. There's retard, and there's retard. YouTube is a joke. YouTube, please. Reactivity of organic compounds. Effects of acid reaction. 30 minutes. You think you love gays? Okay. That's again another example for retardness. $160? 160. No, it's 158. Shut up. But hey, 158. 150. Imagine 158. 158. Oh. Any gays here? Bro, or sister, or whatever you are. Come on, man. Are people getting that desperate? Is that what it is? Is desperation equals retardness or something? That might be true. Desperation means retardness. What kind of porn do you watch? Like hardcore or any other genre? Yo, that's some specific questions here. Let's just say I have a specific. I don't watch too much porn. First off, okay, I'm not a big porn person. But hey, I do. I gotta say, I do sometimes. What type of? No, no, not any hardcore things. Come on, because hardcore looks stupid. You are doing your homework for school. That is very good. Education, that's important. Homeworks could be sometimes annoying, but hey, it's good. It's good that you do homeworks. Come on, man. Discussing about this is not a taboo. Again, it's not about taboo, gang. It's never about taboo. It's like right now I'm studying organic chemistry, not not my porn genre. Okay. But hey, you're right. It's not taboo. That is right. It should not be a taboo because these things exist. Okay, bro. Okay. You're from Arabia. Oh, okay. That's cool. It's pretty hot, right? Arabia is like 40, 50 degrees Celsius. And I don't know what you mean by Arabia. Like, the chat is pretty wild. Yep, there are some intellectual, intellectual individuals here. Okay, Ilibra just wrote something in Arabic, then in Japanese. Yo, that's cool. You know what? I think it's time to change my camera setup. I'm starting to write. Get ready for one of the most incredible. Yo, Madara Uchiha, I'm gonna ban you if you keep on retarding. This cam. Lap screen? No, writing screen. There we go. Oh, there we go. Imagine I had my porn opened up in my tablet. Oh, it's gonna be like a ban from YouTube. Yes, for sure, buddy. Oh, that's that's good. People are connecting over my chat. Yo, Infinity 18. Hi, how are you? I'm doing very good. Appreciate you for checking out the stream. That's cool. Not gonna lie, Don. Oh, there's no Don Tolliver. It's Metro Boomin Future. Not gonna lie, sometimes I do not like the music. But hey. How are you doing, Infinity? How is it going? Do you have your exam tomorrow? No. I don't right now. Fortunately, I don't have any. Hey, watch Two Girls, One Cup. It is fun. I heard about it. Good to hear that. Madara Uchiha. There used to be a trend on YouTube where people react to watching this Two Girls, One Cup. So it is a video that tests human limits, I guess. Starting. Polar molecules. Think. Polar molecules and this type solvent could result in faster SN1 reaction, as it helps with what? Helps with Infinity 88. Do you have exams tomorrow? I feel like you told me like you had an exam coming up. Stabilizing the carbocation, resulting in lower activation. Applied physics, okay. How is it looking? Do you feel like you prepared? Do you feel like you are prepared? What was it? What did you write? Fuck, I need to know what did he write. Just a minute. Yes, I need this. That was a very important message. Another one? No. What was it? Many topics are still remaining to prepare, so I will complete it. Okay, understandable. Resulting in lower activation energy. And the opposite effect for SN2, because it does not have a intermediate carbocation stage that the solvent could stabilize. So the solvate the nucleo and thus making to attack, thus slowing down the reaction. No, that's not it. There's more. In case of protic solvents, aprotic not have a big effect on SN1 while it increases .45 minutes? God damn it. For my bro. Where am I from? I am studying. Yeah, kind of. Where am I from? Can you guess? From South Asia. I could give you a clue. The the country where I'm from has highest population. Then polar. Wow. कैसे हो बेटा? बहुत अच्छा हो. Uh, Indian, right? Yes, you are right. You are absolutely right. Hmm. पापा आ गए हैं. User GY. Darn it. आपका आपका मंद में क्या क्या हो रही है? You don't look like India. I mean, India has a really big population. You look like American. I mean, I guess there are brown people in America, but India has a really. You, sir, I don't. I could read a little bit of Hindi English, but not too much, gang. I don't know what the fuck he just wrote here. मेरी बस्ती का लौंडा तेरी जी फाड़ दे देगा. I'm also from India. Yeah, like I said, India has a very big population, different skin tones. Yeah, all the shit. Chacha hai, hum tera chacha hai. Okay. प्यारे बच्चों, अबू आ गया है. I think you're happy, bro. I'm glad you're happy for typing whatever you just typed in. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I can't not. Tunnel tunta nana. Is it the tunuk tunuk? No, I don't think that's what you. Pind tera sara gingland bang gaya. I don't know if you're swearing or appreciating. I don't know. 100. You know what, Sindhu chat? I'm gonna just sub. I hope you don't do any bad shit. I guess, bro. I hope it's not gonna come back at me. God. I did subscribe, gang. But hey, Sinchu, I gotta say, it's not very good to just go to random stream and just, oh, subscribe to my channel, please. I don't think it's a good thing to do. Yeah, I had to. Yo. The summary is mostly correct. I can help you with refining the specific chemical terminology and parts you unsure about based on your lecture notes. Protic solvents definition, while they do not have dipole moments, their defining characteristic is their reactions. In these reactions is their ability to form hydrogen bonds, hydrogen bridges, okay. Protic solvent. Aprotic. I don't know what you type in, brother or sister. Thank you so much. Okay. Again, I don't think it's a good idea to just come up on random stream and just, yo, bro, I subscribe to you. Now subscribe to me. I don't think that's a good thing to do. I don't think people find it good. Definition, while they do not have dipole moments. So your exam is on Monday? No. When is the next exam? The next exam is going to be on September. It's like 2 months. Fuck. It's like on, yeah. 2 days. 2 days. 2 months. July, August, September. At least let's say after 1 month. This is where they shine. Bura. 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 Rabu. Bura. Okay, sorry. If you want, you can unsubscribe me. It's okay, brother. Can I? Should I? You sure I can unsubscribe? Let me pull up. Say time Time sister 14. In Hindi, 5 times. Samay, Behin. Yeah, no problem. Oh, come on. What's the 14 for the Hindi? I can read it. Chowda. Okay. I'm not gonna say it 5 times because I don't think it's useful. How do you say 14 in Hindi? Chow. 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 Choose chow. Including the DNA as well. Well, you know how it sounds, right? Yeah, I don't. Come on, bro. Protic solvents slow down because they strongly solvate the nucleophile through H bonds. What is this song? Feels so close. That's for your luck? How is that gonna affect your luck? You believe that a random streamer saying something random for 5 times is gonna increase your luck? Yo, bro, I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry, gang. Protic solvents slow down because they are slowly solvate the nucleophile through H bonds, creating a cage. This is where you shine. Protic solvents like DMSO, DMF, but do not cage the nucleophile with H bonds. This increases reaction speed significantly. Do you think that's a taboo, right? I don't think it increases the luck, bro. I don't think that gonna increase your luck, bro. I'm sorry, gang. You will subscribe right away when I say that? Nah, bro. It's okay. I don't think you were. Are you a bot, bro? Because you sound like a bot right now. This is where they shine. Protic polar aprotic solvents dissolve ionic reagents but do not cage the nucleophile with H bonds. This increases the reaction speed significantly. Polar aprotic dissolve ionic reagents but do not. Good ionizing solvent is generally needed to help the leaving group depart and stabilize the resulting cation. While polar aprotic solvents can solvate cations, they are generally less effective than protic solvents. Well, I'm not in a mood for a tongue twister, not gonna lie. You were unsure here. In SN1, a good ionizing solvent is generally... Again, when you say dissolve, I'm kind of confused on how the dissolving works. So DMSO4 can solvate a cation better than it can solvate an anion, okay? So when you say dissolve, it's still cage, but do not cage the nucleophile with H bonds. Ah. I'll be Madara Uchiha. I'm sorry, gang. I'm not gonna say it. Oh, my back. Oh, my back is tired. It's already 1 hour? Okay. 30 minutes. Here, the doubt is when you say the educt or chart, can you let me know? Can you let me know? What do you exactly mean higher charge? Also, what's the difference deduct oh no, not product, educt and what? Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah. I gotta say, notebook LM is it's a very little bit slower than GPT, but it is kind of accurate. Or maybe it's because I don't have that much experience with LM. Notebook LM. Let's see how it is in context of your notes. Because the coders made it while gooning. Oh, what does gooning has to do with this? I never seen anything goon bait in Notebook LM. Why would you go there? Or is it a joke like coders are gooners? Is that the joke, or it is slow? Okay. Direct is a term commonly used in European academic setting. Oh, come on. Refers to starting material. Is more universal English term for species present before the reaction takes place. So they're both same. Okay. What higher or lower charge means. When the notes discuss whether a species is more or less charged, they are referring to the concentration. Yeah, because their hands are very fast over keyboards. Professional gooners. I mean, hey, gooning takes skill, okay? Why am I defending gooners? Maybe. Maybe we were all gooners at some point. Maybe gooning is... What? 5 times today. Whoa. Whoa! you gotta bring the numbers down. I mean, hey, I never seen like I said, I never seen studies or anything where they say gooning is bad for health. But it is bad for health when it starts to affect your other things. So yeah, just keep in mind, bro. Just keep that in mind. It causes cramps in my legs every time. Yo! If it's starting to get painful, you gotta stop. You have to stop. This is not the drill. I'm starting with the new facial hair. Within 1 week it's gonna show up. Oh, it's gonna be crazy. Yo, you're those testicles are working overtime. You gotta bring it down. What higher or lower charge means? Higher charge, concentrated anionic nuclear. Wait, if it has full ionic charge localized on the atom. Full positive and negative charges develop, making the transition state more highly charged than the neutral starting material. Lower charge, delocalized or partial charges. If a species has a lower charge if the charge is spread out delocalized across multiple atoms, or if it only consists of partial charges. Transition state in SN2. In transition state of SN2 reaction involving an anion, SN2 involving an anion like OH minus attacking tribromometal or tribomomethane. a negative charge is smeared across the nucleophile, the carbon, and the leaving group because a single negative charge is now shared by more atoms. The transition state is described as less highly charged than original nucleophile. A neutral alkyl halide has small partial charges due to a dipole. I still didn't get it. I still didn't get the charge part. So now we are talking about lower charges and higher. And from what I understand by reading this is the higher charge is only formed FORMED when the what? Oh, you could see my face through tablet. Undergoes to form carbocation. Only then the charge is considered high, otherwise it's pretty low. Could you explain again if I get it right? But here the important distinction here is higher charge doesn't mean charge is formed during the reaction. It just refers to a concentrated charge that is present in the starting material from the very beginning based on your lecture notes. Higher charge equals concentrated localized. Charges a species is considered more highly charged when it's had a full ionic charge that is concentrated at one atom. Starting materials SN2 in a typical SN2 reaction, an anionic nucleophile like H has a very high charge density because the entire negative charge is localized to the oxygen atom. Intermediates are, as you noted, formation of carbocation, and leaving group creates a full ionic charge where there were none before. The neutral starting material, this state is more highly charged than the neutral educt. So when there's OH minus, you are talking about the nucleophile. I don't know if that's part of the reactant. And a species has lower charge if that the same electrical charge is spread out across multiple atoms, or if it only consists of small partial charges. Transition state. In the negative charge is smeared across the nucleophile, the carbon, and the leaving group because that single negative charge is shared between three atoms instead of being concentrated on just one. The transition state is described as less highly charged than the original nucleophile. Why are we talking about nucleophile again? You know what, gang? I'll be right back. I just need to put something in the oven. So after 20 minutes, I get to eat something. 20 minutes. A neutral alkyl halide only a small partial charge due to its dipole. Try some coordinate geometry. What's that? Mm-hmm. Coordinate geometry is a branch of math that combines algebra and geometry using coordinate plane. It helps us represent points, lines, and shapes. I heard enough. I know that shit's gonna be. We're gonna see some really. Whoa, you're having troubles to respond? Yep. Whoa, why is it so slow? I'm gonna ask this question on GPT. Yes, I did 12th from India. The CBSC, Central Bureau of National CB. Oh, Central Bureau of Secondary Education. Yeah. And I was the COVID batch, or the batch who did exam right after COVID. Then they would have taught you all this. Are you talking about coordinate geometry or organic chemistry? I mean, yeah, in organic chemistry, I do remember a lot of these, but again, I didn't study. COVID batch, what a time to be alive. I gotta say, I mean, hey, COVID is bad. COVID bad. COVID people die. Yes, I understand, but it was cool. As a kid who was in, y'all didn't have, you all didn't have even have board exams that year, man. We had two board exams. We had a one where you have to write it was like a midterm. I never heard CBSE had midterms, but this time 12th had a midterm exam where it was only multiple choice question, and at the end it was written exam. And the final mark is something combined of both of these. I don't know if that's the case now, but it was not like that before. My cousin failed 8th class badly and passed his 10th only because of COVID. Yeah. Yo, what the fuck? Why is it so slow? Like I was saying, COVID bad. COVID caused a lot of injuries, but the fact that I was able to stay at home with my parents, TV, nothing outside, like nobody outside, there's no cars, there's no horns. That was peaceful. I heard that yeah, mine, I don't know, mine was conducted by school, but yeah. Oh, I do remember the lab exams. Oh, that was I you cannot say it's a lab exam. It was barely an exam. I wish I could have done my labs much better, but yeah, I think it was an exception for COVID. I heard a news that Delhi was the cleanest for the first time during COVID, like least polluted time. 7 to 8 during COVID. Damn. Emir Sakola, yo, remember me? Not gonna lie, no. Can you explain a bit more what any past previous conversation? In a typical SN2 reaction, amino anionic nucleophile has very high charge density because they're describing one of the reactants, the nucleophile. They're explaining why H minus is such a good nucleophile. Again, how? Again, this is a nucleophile. How is nucleo? So again, my question here was, can we consider the nucleophile as part of the reactant? Also, if that's the case, then you was explaining how you got hit by a car. Okay. I think we had a conversation on accident. Oh, okay, okay. Something, some neurons are connecting. I always want to visit Kerala. I've seen some South Indian movies. So yeah, I mean, if you could, you should visit. It's a different place. What? Wait, what is this? Another browser that is like ChatGPT? Yeah, this one's ChatGPT. This one's oh fuck. This one's Notebook LM. Notebook LM is not responding. Do you speak Malay Malayalam? Yes, I do speak. I'm guessing you meant Malayalam, but yeah, I do. December 13. You never heard of GPT or Notebook LM? December 13, okay. I can try Claude, but from what I've tried Claude, Notebook LM, yeah. I tried Claude, but the thing is, it's very good. It's very good at coding. I tried running some making. I tried, yeah, making some Python program code, and Claude was very good for that. But it stops working after a while. I hit the daily limit. I gotta pay. No, no, I'm not paying. I use Claude. That you could gather data from my usage. That's already a sort of payment from my side. Why gotta pay more? You're from Ireland, but oh, okay, okay. Now I'm starting to remember. But hey, appreciate you for checking out the stream. So I don't use that much Claude. But I need to get back on Claude because I got some work to do. Yo, man. Let's stream till 10 p.m. today. I could, but the thing is, I need to eat. And during that time, I stop the stream. And the worst thing is, right after I eat, I don't know, watch phone or something. It's very bad. Are you on the Notes app? Here. Yeah. Yes, this is Notes. I eat on stream. I could, but I don't know. You will eat the same time? Nah, I mean, I don't know. Not a big fan of. Who plays Steal a Brain Rot? This is Roblox? 30 minutes? 6 more minutes, okay. Not a big fan of Roblox. But hey, Vibe, just so you said that, I'm gonna start my next stream within 1 hour. Max 1 hour. Because I also need to get my study times high. I need to increase my study times. The hours I put in. Average cost? $300, $200. Let's put a 100. Let's say you could survive with 700 euros. That's gonna be like 70,000 Indian rupees monthly. But if you are even smarter and if you could sacrifice even more, you could survive with 500. That would be the least. $17K? No, 700 euros. 700 euros. 700. 700 euros. 700. Do you like paneer curry? I never had paneer curry, but I had paneer butter masala. Oh, that's good. But it's been a long time since I had it. I had it when I was in India, but paneer butter masala is good. which is so good. Yeah, I used to buy it every week back in India. Oh, bro, what 76,000 rupees? Yeah, some. Shout out India for that. Yeah, shout out India. In organic chemistry, you often hear instructors distinguish between substrate, the organic molecule that's, oh, okay, reagent substrate. Since nucleophile is usually the reagent, some lecturers say the reagent is OH minus, but that doesn't mean it's it is in the reactant. Why don't you stay at the hostels? This is a hostel. This is a sort of hostel. It's like dorms. Like I said, if you wanna even save a bit, you could survive with like 500. 700, you could have a pretty fun time. 500, you could survive. Okay, so there's a general rule on the what? I meant in-campus hostels. I don't know if you could consider this as an in-campus hostel, but it's pretty nearby. I could reach my university in like 5 minutes. Yeah, this is part of the university. It's not in the campus, but it's around. Less charged. Protic solvent is better, while your place where you currently living is a private owned property. Yeah, it's private owned, but they got more dorms, like different places. It's more like this building has a tie up with the university. It's not like it's part of university, but they have a tie up. So I think these dorms are also showed up on the university website if we go for living in living nearby or something in the university. Like if you go into the university website and search for living, something like that, the university is going to recommend dorms like these. It's not just this one, there's more other dorms nearby. Yeah. You say 20 minutes. Cost of living in a 5-star hotel, I don't know. It's gonna be really expensive. I guess so. I never thought about doing that, or yeah. Ah, fuck, I still got the spelling wrong. Okay. Reagent and substrate. SN1 polar protic solvent helps. This is a slow rate determining step. Tertiary butyl bromide, overall molecule 0 charge after intermediate positive. Now you have 2 ions, so the reaction goes from neutral to charged. That's why polar protic solvent helps. Why? Because water or alcohol surrounds the anions and cations, resulting in it's already 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream and we're gonna continue. Like I said, 45 minutes. It's not right now, it's not even 1 hour, 45 minutes. Peace out, YouTube. Peace out, Twitch.